Is the soothing charm of lemon balm tea stronger than the bright punch of lemon tea? Lemon balm is a leafy herb with a soft citrus aroma and a gentle, honey-like flavor that soothes the senses. Lemon tea is usually a bold black or green tea brightened with fresh lemon or lemon juice for instant brightness. Lemon balm is naturally caffeine-free and suits evenings, quiet afternoons, and times when you want to unwind. Lemon tea often contains caffeine and suits mornings, study sessions, and moments when you need a mild boost. Lemon balm's taste is mild, herbal, and floral with a lingering, calming finish that invites slow sipping. Lemon tea's taste is zesty, tart, and clean with a sharp, refreshing finish that clears the palate quickly. Brewing lemon balm prefers lower heat and short steep times to protect its delicate aromatic oils. Brewing lemon tea calls for hotter water to coax flavor from tea leaves and balance citrus with tannins. For lemon balm, try steeping 3 to 5 minutes to extract flavor without bitterness. For lemon tea, 2 to 4 minutes can work depending on the tea base and your bitterness tolerance. Health-wise, lemon balm is traditionally used to ease stress, soothe digestion, and encourage restful sleep. Lemon and tea together provide vitamin C and a bright, hydrating lift for hot or cold days. Pair lemon balm with honey, a slice of apple, or a dash of chamomile for a softer, layered cup. Pair lemon tea with ginger, mint, or a light sweetener to temper acidity and bring complexity. Freshness matters a great deal since garden-picked lemon balm and ripe lemons both elevate the cup. Store dried lemon balm in an airtight container away from light to keep oils from fading. Choose organic leaves when possible to avoid pesticides that dull subtle aromas and flavors. Mixologists prize lemon balm for herbal syrups, cocktails, and desserts where nuance is important. Lemon tea shines in iced pitchers, detox waters, and recipes that call for bright acidity. Experiment with cold-brewed lemon balm for a smoother, gentler iced infusion that stays mellow. Iced lemon tea benefits from strong brewing and chilling to keep flavors bold through dilution. Consider your mood and the moment when choosing between the two, as occasion often decides taste. Try blending a little lemon balm with green tea for a hybrid cup that balances calm with clarity. Small tweaks, like peel versus juice or fresh leaf versus dried, change the final flavor dramatically. Ultimately, the winner depends on your palate, schedule, and whether you want calm or a lively lift. Subscribe to the channel and please like this video to support us and tell us which cup you pick in the comments.